Hello children, in last video I taught you about stem and leaves. Now in this video we will do some activities related to this chapter. Let's see.
Here, collect a few leaves of plants like lemon, mango, neem, basil means tulsi, mint means pudina, and coriander means dhania. Crush the leaves and smell them. Do they all smell alike? Can you identify the leaves just by their smell? No, they don't smell alike. Yes, some of the leaves can be identified by their smell. What are the ways to identify leaves? We can identify the leaves with their shape, size, texture, smell, etc. Now, look at this beautiful picture. They are made of dry leaves. So we have, look at these pictures. These are very interesting picture and they are different animals made with dry leaves. You can also try this. You can collect some leaves and then dry them and make different animals. Here given already, using dry leaves make pictures of different animals in your notebook. This is very fun activity and by you. Didi taught everyone how to take impression means print of leaves and tree trunks. All you have to do this. Now Didi taught everyone that how can we make the prints of leaves and tree trunk. So let's also learn the same way. Now take a paper and a crayon or color pencil. Place the leaf on a table or on the ground. It should be placed in such a way that the side of the leaf with the veins is on the top. Place a paper on the leaf. Gently rub the crayon or color pencil on the paper. Be careful that the paper or the leaf does not move. And once you do this, something like this will be formed. This was innovative way taught by Didi to everyone and we can also try this, and in the similar way we can take impression of the trunks of a tree. You need to place a paper on the trunk as the girl was doing over here and rub a crayon or a color pencil on it. Look, you have made impression of the tree bark. Look at the impression made by the other. Are the impression of different plants similar? No, the impressions are different. Which leaf gave a good impression? So basically the leaves which are rough in texture gave a good impression. Which tree's impression was difficult to take? Why? What would happen if the bark of all the tree gave similar impression? Which tree bark impression we cannot take? Why? You need to try this and see different impression. All will be different. All the trees and plants are very different. It will be difficult to the trunk is a little bit very thick or it has a different texture. After you can tell me if you enjoy that activity. Then we have here, look at the picture and name the things which have patterns of leaves and flowers on them. So we look at the picture, then we name the things which have patterns of leaves and flowers on them. So let's see. We can see that it has the signs of the leaves and flowers on the bed sheet. It's on the wall painting, on the pillows, on the book, carpet, as well as on the curtain. Okay. Now you have to write down here bed sheet, wall painting, pillow, carpet, book and curtain. Now turn your page. Now look for objects which have patterns of leaves and flowers on them in your house. Write their names: dish, carpet, bedsheet, curtain. Now you must have seen many plants and trees. Write their names: rose plant, neem tree, banyan tree, tulip, mango tree, ashok tree, jasmine plant, and coconut tree. Are there any plants that you have heard of but never seen? Write their names. So write down here: saffron, apple tree, almond, cashew, oak, basil, pine tree, pitcher plant, and many more. Now ask some older people if there were plants which they have seen when they were children but are not seen these days. Also ask them if there are any plants which can be seen these days but which were not seen earlier. So you do it by yourself. Now, friendship with a tree. Choose a tree near your school or house and make friendship with it. A lasting friendship. Now, which tree is it? Ask some elders if you don't know. So, I will make a coconut tree, my friend. So, it's near my house and it's lasting actually. Second, will you like to give your friend a special name? What will you name it? I can name it Honored because it's coconut and it sounds cute also. You can also name your plants. Then here's some more question which we can see. Does the tree friend bear flowers or fruits? Which ones? So it's a coconut tree. So fruit is coconut. How the leaves of the tree look like? I can't draw it, but you know the leaves of coconut tree. Which animals live in the tree friend? Write their names. Yeah, it's like normal animals, squirrel, birds and all. So, more about your tree friend and share it with others. Draw the picture of your tree friend in the box given below and color it. So, whichever tree you choose, you can make it your friend and you can share your things with it and make a picture over here and collect the information about the same. So, here our second chapter is completed. I hope you all are understood this video. I will send you PDF file of chapter 2, The Plant Fairy. You have to write down in science notebook. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.